Hey everybody! Cool, so for advanced reporting today, we are going to be looking at gridded queries. Specifically, how do we add gridded queries to be displayed with a web map service? So stick with me. Okay, so we are in our conservation area. I've clicked query, view queries. Now, obviously, there's a whole bunch here that we've already created or have. So I'm going to go query, new query, patrol, new patrol grid query. I'm going to do this based off of the number of patrols. And I can run it and I will get a result, which is fine. But here at the bottom, the grid size is 0.01 and you can see the degree value here. So in actual case, this is not going to be very valuable based on this geographic coordinate system. Now, what you need to do is you need to decide what it is when you project the data, what you're trying to preserve: area, distance, shape, or size, I think it is, or direction, sorry. But the best to probably use is the UTM projected coordinate system. Go online and look at what zone your conservation area falls within. In this case, mine falls within 36 South. You'll see that this grid size immediately changes to meters. Now here, you're going to change this value to, like, for example, 3 kilometers or 3,000 meters. That's 3 kilometers by 3 kilometers, and I can run it. Sometimes if you do not have like enough data, let's just see here, then it might give you an error. So play around with this grid size, but also make a note of what the grid size actually is. Now remember, we've got a web map service. So if we are going to zoom to this layer, it's going to zoom out to the entire world because this web map service is based off of the entire world. So don't worry if it zooms out, but on the right here, you'll see this layer folder. You see gridded query. You just right click and you say zoom to layer, and there it is there. So go ahead and save this query for yourself in a place that you will be able to find it. I'm just going to save it there because I know where to find it. And we're going to now go across to the reports. Okay, so now I'm editing my specific report. The first thing you obviously have to do is add a new data set, and it's a query. And now go and find it exactly where you saved it. This will be fine. Okay. And then we've got our map here that we are going to display this on. You can see the base map is still web map services, but now I need to add that specific layer over here to this map. Now set the map boundaries again to the specific gridded query size so that you're not having a world extent based on the web map service. Click save, and if you want to run the report just to see the outcome, go for it, because what we're going to do in a later video is actually show you how to style a gridded query results. As you can see here, there's my web map service, there's my gridded query results, and obviously you can see that this red does not fit with this brown, so we will style this. Cool, hope that helps.